Hey everyone, welcome back to the new video. Here, I'll show you how to renew your Hostinger domain step by step. To get started, open your browser and go to the Hostinger login page. Click Login in the top right corner and enter your credentials. Once you're in your Hostinger control panel, H-panel, go to the Domain section on your dashboard. Click on Domain Portfolio. Here, you'll see a list of all domains linked to your Hostinger account. Use the search bar if needed, and select the domain you want to renew. On the Domain Details page, click the Renew button. Then select your renewal period. You can renew for 1 year or multiple years for better pricing. Proceed with the payment. Hostinger accepts various payment methods, including credit card, PayPal, and others. Once payment is complete, your domain is renewed. You'll receive a confirmation email immediately. You can also renew your domain from the Billing Subscription section in your Hostinger dash. This method works well if you're managing multiple domains and want to handle renewals from one place. Keeping your domain renewed ensures your website stays live and avoids downtime. This method applies to any domain registered via Hostinger, whether .com, .in, .org, or custom extensions. That's how to renew a domain in Hostinger without any issues. For more tutorials on domain renewal, DNS settings, and Hostinger website management, make sure to subscribe.